Hello, YouTube. I have had an issue with my 2017 Honda Civic fuel door making a very loud noise, and I'm getting it fixed tomorrow morning. But before I do, I just wanted to make a really short video and show you exactly what the noise is and where it's coming from. So that way, if anybody else hears it, there's not a lot of info online about it, and you'll know exactly what it is. The issue is only when you unlock the car. This is where it's coming from. And this is the culprit. So watch that solenoid when I lock it.